Let's explore monthly projects, a special type of project for tasks that repeat every month. Think about it. There are things you need to do every single month. Pay bills, visit parents, meet friends, review your goals, plan the next month. Instead of manually creating these tasks each time, monthly projects automate the process. Click on Projects in the main navigation, then click Monthly Project in the top right corner. Here's how it works. Monthly projects have two parts: fixed expenses from your budget and additional monthly tasks that you define. First, the Fixed Expenses section. Notice it says Auto-Loaded from Finances. These expenses are automatically imported from your current month's budget in the Finances section. Here you can see housing, €600 monthly. Groceries, €300 monthly. Gym membership, $49.99 monthly. These are all checked, meaning they'll appear as tasks in your monthly project. Important: these expenses come from your approved budget from the previous month. So, to use monthly projects effectively, you need to have your Finances section set up with your regular expenses. Now, the second part, additional monthly tasks. This is where monthly projects become really powerful. You can add recurring tasks that aren't related to finances, things you want to do every month. The example here shows read one book, visit parents, review goals. Let me add another one. I'll type schedule coffee with a friend. Click Add another task. Here's the key. These tasks are saved to your monthly template. When you create next month's project, these same tasks will automatically appear. You don't have to type them again. At the top, you can name this project. It defaults to the current month, December 2025, which makes sense for organizing. At the bottom, you'll see Save Current Template. This saves your additional monthly tasks for future months. The template remembers what you want to do every month, so you don't have to. Now, click Create Monthly Project. Your project is created with all your bills as tasks and your recurring monthly to-dos ready to check off. Here's the workflow. At the end of each month, go to Finances and confirm your fixed expenses for next month. Then, create a new monthly project. It automatically loads your bills and your template tasks. Adjust if needed. Maybe you have an extra expense this month or want to skip one task. Then start working through the list. This system ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Your bills get paid, your important monthly activities happen, and you maintain consistency without manual effort. You can edit your template anytime. Go to Projects, create or edit a monthly project. Adjust your additional monthly tasks, and click Save Current Template. Future months will use the updated version. Monthly projects are perfect for people who want structure and consistency. If you have regular responsibilities or goals that repeat monthly, this feature automates the tedious part so you can focus on actually doing the work. And that's monthly projects. Set it once, use it every month. Never forget what needs to be done.